Hey guys, I just want to talk to you about this MVMT watch. This thing is fantastic. Came in this nice box like you see here. This is a nice quality watch. I'm very impressed by the quality. It is the Voyager dual time zone. It's a beautiful, beautiful looking watch. You can see how gorgeous it is. It's got the time zone, it's got the date. It's got the multi functions on the side of the watch itself. It's almost, I think it's like 46 or 48 millimeters, right around there. Let's do a quick look at it real quick. I want to show you exactly what the size is so you'll know. I love this watch. I've been using it for a while. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It is 47 millimeters, just so you know. So it's a 47 millimeter watch. Again, it's a quartz. Pull out the tab, it starts working. Mesh band, all high quality. And this is a beefy watch. You can tell really crappy watch and good watches. And this is a nice watch. Again, multi time zones. Got the date. You can see here the back, how it's all labeled. It's a screw back, so you want to change the batteries, you have to have a screw back. Tool to take that off. It's all brand new, as you can see here. Have the tag. Absolutely love this look and super sharp. So if you're looking for a high quality watch, definitely recommend this one here. I like when they feel beefy on the arm. Let me just show you on my wrist really quick how it looks. You can just see really sharp. I like that a lot. That looks really good. I love that. I definitely love this watch. Definitely recommend this one.